This is a regular American 240 volt electrical outlet. And this is the motor out of a standard air mattress. I took it out so you can see it. It'd be pretty boring if I just put an air mattress out here. So it says right on the side of this motor, it's made for 110 to 120 volts. We're not going to worry about the wattage and stuff on this one. I'm just going to plug it in and see what it does. I believe I'll duct tape it down first. Now it won't jump away as soon as I plug it in. And turn on our 2-pole breaker because that's how we get 240 volts in the US. I'm just going to plug it in and see what happens. Look, fire. And that's what happens if you plug an air mattress in the wrong outlet.